Bit of an announcement. So for the entire month of December I'm gonna be attempting to do Vlogmas. I'm thinking I want to do it like a weekly style, so I'll film for a week, upload my week on the Sunday, so on and so forth. I'm also going to attempt to do a main like big video, like sit down like this every week as well, just because why not? I like a challenge. So for starters, my room is pretty average. You know, we coming at you full on jungle weeb vibes. As you can see, we've got the iconic banana leaf wallpaper. This room is heavily inspired by Helen Anderson's entire house. Because like I saw the wallpaper in one of her like moving in vlogs and I was like, damn, that is cute. I do not like green, but damn, that is cute. I like that. So I took it and turned my room into a jungle. I feel like I'm finally at a point where I'm really happy with my room. For me, my room's always been a little bit of a work in progress, but for right now I'm super duper happy with it. I think it's super cute. It is a big old jungle of weeb. It is like, if you cut open my head, my very pink head, this is everything, you know. On my bed we've got a Luna plushie that I got for my birthday. We've got a Jigglypuff, we've got an alpaca called Picasso, and like even my bedding is pink purely because whenever I wash my hair like pink comes out and it's just easier to like maintain it. And then above it I've got a wall of prints by Hannah Dana, I believe is her name on Instagram. Lauren Heppel, Happy, I'm sorry if I say your name wrong. We've got a print from We've got like a little hangy mabobba from Typo. We've got some set lists from Charlie XCX and Moshe Some White. We've got a poster from As It Is, like my first tour that I saw just then, because I've seen them a few times as supports. We have another Flourishing Bodies print. We have a Fittest, Powerful and Unstoppable flag. And then next to it we have some drumsticks I brought when I went to New York. And they're from the Hard Rock Cafe, because at that time I was still playing drums kind of like on and off. Fun fact, I play drums. Then above it we have my Ouija board and my planchette. Next to it we have another print that I found on Etsy. I'm pretty sure it's by, I can't remember what her name is on Instagram, but it's something portraits. If I remember I'll stick it up here, I'm sure. Then next to it we have my first ever Pokemon game, which was Pokemon Pearl, and if you open it, it is actually like the same save file that I played on when I was much younger. And next to it we have another kind of hanging mabobba from Baby Chase. Next to it, as you can see, we got all my plushies. A little bit obsessed with plushies. It's a little bit sad. I'm just gonna point out some like special ones. I have the I have the birthday Mickey, like Celebrations birthday Mickey, in the December design. I got this last year during the key event for Donald. It's like, you can't buy them anymore, they're limited edition and I love it. What else is pretty special from there? We've got an alien, which I brought in Disneyland. This is my Pikachu that I ordered while I was in New York, but Pokemon Center messed up my order, so I had to cancel it while I was there. And then when I got home, I ordered one anyway, just because I was like, that is the one thing I want if I don't get anything else. Above it, we have all my magnets, so just from little like things I've been to, and hanging up along my cool curtains, like nothing special like curtains. We have some lanyards from loads of events I've been to, like Little Mix, Summertime Ball, Katy Perry, those kinds of things. And along my windowsill we've just got some plants, we've got a llama, we've got a gyroid, we've got some candles. You know how it is. And next to that we've got my hamster cage with my two boys, Cosmo and Astro. They are currently sleeping because it's like 2 PM right now. So yeah. And next to that, unfortunately, they live next to my vinyl player, which, you know, I feel pretty bad about, but a girl's got a vibe. Which leads us to this spot, which is where I am now. Hello, bonjour, welcome. This is my desk. This is where the magic happens. This is where I do my makeup. This is where I do my editing, where I do my work. This is where everything cool happens, basically. Next to the bed, because I do spend a lot of time lying in bed doing nothing, watching YouTube. I don't really know what to say about my desk. My desk is just a big old mess. For starters, the backsplash is all pictures, like anyone who is vaguely important to me in my life is probably on this wall. It's just got loads of like Polaroids and pictures and tickets and like my schedule for uni and like movie stubs for things that I've done and like adventures I've gone on. And we've got all my necklaces hung up, like the ones I wear pretty frequently. You'll notice they're all silver because I'm not a big gold fan. I think gold is hella tacky. And then kind of going upwards. It's worth mentioning actually, all of my stuff is from IKEA. I feel like everyone knows that because everybody and their mum has had this desk. But you know, you can't beat it really. For starters, my first little ladder bit is my yellow section, and we've got, I want to show this off. This is my pasta. This is my ravioli. My ravioli, we were just out one day and I saw him and I was like, oh my god, I love you. And clearly I have a little bit of a pasta aesthetic going on. Carb queen over here. But yeah, on that we've just got things that are all yellow. We've got my 2 amiibos, we've got lots of Funko Pops, lots of Gudetama, some Pokemon. Then moving up we've got more of kind of my neutral tones, so like my greens, my purples. We've got Mrs. Potts, the alien, Mulan, and Mulan when she is a boy, or dressed up as a boy. And then behind it we've got the Donald Duck key, which I mentioned earlier, and we've got the Practical Witch's Guide to Every Day, which, if you don't know, I'm not totally into Wicca. Like, I've always found it pretty fascinating, but I've never fully delved in. So for now I'm just kind of reading, and I've got all like my little cards separated by my melody little like folder things. And then behind it is just a little picture of me and my 3 best friends from college when we went on a trip to Windsor. Moving up from there, we've got my Tsum Tsums. I have quite a large collection. It's pretty small in comparison to some people's, but you know. And I've got lots of little, I think these are by East India or something. Just these cute little like, oh come on, focus. Apparently focusing is not happening today. It's of little like, you can do it kind of motivational things. Oh my, it's so dusty. Then up and across we've got some leaves just to kind of match with the wall. And then above we've got my current reads. I've got The Night is Short, Walk On Girl, Power, which I've almost finished finally, and I'm about halfway through Women Don't Owe You Pretty. Then we've got the rest of my Funko Pops, followed by like a production thing, I can't remember what they're called, a little slappy boy that I got from Disney. And then here is my actual desk. Like I mentioned, nothing particularly special. Down here we got my big boy Bailey. Bailey is the single-handed cutest thing. Joe got it for me just as like a little like I love you present. Well, not a little I love you present, a pretty big I love you present, but you know, that's just my boyfriend. Behind me, oh actually no, this little brown bag is where I keep all my special things. So like anything cute that I've been to, like an event or just like receipts and stuff, they all go in there and that's where they live. So when I'm sad I can just pull some stuff out and be like, oh, I'm so loved. And then behind me is my big ass wardrobe. Let's see if I can move my tripod. Whoa. Da da da! As you can see, it's rather large. Let's do a best to scale. Yeah, I'm in my Christmas pajamas, a lot of it. Well, bam. With that little Tory? Ain't no Tories in my house today. Bish bash bosh, your mum's a Tory. Let's get into decorating for Christmas. like Christmas. Hello. And just like that, my room is Christmas-fied. As you can see, it do be looking pretty cute. I went kind of subtle this year. I don't know, normally I'll go all out and have like, I was gonna call this flossing or bunting. Can't remember what this is called, but normally tinsel. Normally I have tinsel like everywhere, covering every surface in my room, like plushies everywhere. This year, I don't know, I just wanted to go more refined, more simple. I'm kind of liking the less is more approach, considering my room is a lot right now. So yeah, I just put up a tree. I rearranged some of my plushies. I put some lights down there. Got some stockings here. We got 2 plushies that I got from the Nintendo Center last year when I was in New York for Christmas. Well, for my and Joe's anniversary, but it's like 2 weeks before Christmas, so I've got a Charmander and a Sylveon all ready for Christmas. I also have a New Year's Pikachu holding a little like Daruka doll. Let me see if I can find it. So like this one specifically is the Pikachu Celebrations year end, like limited edition one. Pretty cute. I guess I'll find somewhere for him, and now he can go on the hamster cage and vibe with the hamsters. But yeah, I'm really loving my little simplistic Christmas room. I know this wasn't much of a video, but like I just thought I'd do like a little haha, here is my Christmas room. Woo woo, seasonal goodness, let's get started for Christmas kind of thing. Yeah. I still feel like shit, so I'm gonna go have a nap. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of those fun things, and I will see you guys next week for Vlogmas and another main channel video. Bye!